Welcome to the Shar and Joe Show.
On this episode, we are continuing our creative portrait series and we're doing a couples photo shoot. We're going to be using various props to keep things interesting.
Yep, and normally I'm the one taking the shot behind the camera, but this time we're doing all the filming and the photography without a person behind the camera. So to do that, you either need a remote shutter, or in my case, I'm gonna just put it on interval shooting, so it's just gonna take a shot every second or so, and hopefully something turns out.
Crossing my fingers.
All right, let's get going. So we got these little wire pull hand grenades. They burn cooler so that you can actually hold them in your hands. So they're kind of specially made for photography. If you are using them, make sure you have parental supervision or you're over 18. And I got a green one, and you got a yellow one.
And we're gonna get a nice effect of color and smoke all around us to create a really nice shot.
All right, you ready?
All right.
Go.
I'm having trouble pulling this.
All right. It's got some sparks here.
Yeah.
Oh, we got green.
Wow.
All right. Ready?
So we just finished that shot. We're gonna get the next shot set up, get changed, and pull a surprise out from the garage.
All right, let's go. All right, so here's the surprise. It's my dad's 1955 Ford F100 pickup truck, and we're gonna be using it for some headlight shots.
Let's get started.
So we got the lights on, moved to an area where you can see some of the sky. And you don't have to have a cool pickup truck, you can use any car
vehicle
that you have that has headlights.
Exactly.
So we're here on the beach in Chicago, and we're doing some more couples shoots, and we're using some props. So the first one we're gonna do is with these old picture frames. I already took the glass and the old pictures out of there, and we're gonna be sticking them in the sand.
Right, so we'll stick them in the sand, and we're both gonna sit in each frame, and it's gonna create an interesting perspective from far away.
Yep, so you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Let's get going.
For this shot, we have the bike propped up against our wagon. We're gonna be using the spokes of the bike to create an interesting framing effect for this couple's photo.
Let's take the shot. All right, we're all set up. Ready to do our poses. Is this it?
It's this one, because it's more, you gotta create space between the
Straight face.
smiles. hope you guys enjoyed this couples photo shoot. We had a really good time.
Yep, and make sure to stay tuned at the end of this video. We have some of Sharlene's writing. It's gonna also be posted on our Instagram page where you can find the photos from today as well as our prior episodes. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys on the next one.
See ya. You and I, like two clouds of smoke, our paths collided and united. Now here we are, no longer clouds, instead, one strong fire burning, blazing through life together. The flame.
Bugs over there.
Yeah, it's getting wild. The bugs are out. Full force. I think I got bit like a few times.
I can't get in. It's all right. I'm gonna go around the other side. Get out, lady.
Door's jammed, guys.
Here comes the train.
Watch your camera.
Don't run the camera over, Sharlene.
Don't run over anything.